Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, your discovery boss. Mona Heights, that's where we at. So we're in Mona Heights today, doing a quick drive around the community. And as usual guys, once you've used to live, is living in Mona Heights, just let us know in the comment section. So taking a drive around the community of Mona Heights. Stay tuned, leave a comment, like the video. Thanks for clicking on the video and enjoy the drive around Mona. I'm seeing where they have done quite a bit of patching of the road. I drove here a few weeks ago and it was, you know, all potholes. So it's good that they did some patching work, which you can see. Alright guys, let's take a drive around the community. And again, remember to leave your comment. Mona Heights, Kingston, another community drive. Alright, so Sunflower Way, that's where we are on now. Alright, so we just passed the Sunflower Manor. It's a gated community or a gated complex. It's to the right, so it's kind of built like townhouses. So it's a gated complex in Mona Heights. And it's Sunflower Manor, and then this is now the aqueduct. They're right beside each other. And this would be a renovated lots on the left. Alright, so we're making a right turn on Buttercup Drive. And on the right is also the Mona Heights Primary School. And next door to the Mona Heights Primary School, not sure if you guys can see, there's an apartment complex being built. Let me just show you guys a little glimpse, or a better glimpse. So that's an apartment complex right there. Look like 3 or 4 floors. It's a Mona Heights Primary School. I wonder how many of you guys have been to this school, have attended this school. And now we're on to Carnation Way. Alright, so again, Mona Heights. Driving around this community. What are your thoughts about the Mona Heights community? Let me know. So let me know what you think about this community, guys. So we are on Daisy Avenue and we'll be crossing over the Garden Boulevard. That's one of the main boulevards in Mona Heights. So back onto Daisy Avenue. This is their community area, jogging, basketball. That's on the left, right over here. So community area. Then we have this church in front of us, then this very big empty land. Not sure what's the future plans for that empty land, but I'm sure it can hold quite a few. It can hold quite a few houses or even a gated community. Very huge. So probably they're saving it for a development. So again, Mona Heights. Driving you guys around the community of Mona. Remember to leave your comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. We're back on Garden Boulevard. We're now on Violent Avenue. So again, we're in Mona Heights, Kingston. Remember to leave your comment, guys, and we'll end the video somewhere around here. So thanks for watching so far in the video. Thanks for even clicking on the video. And as usual, remember to leave your comments. Remember to like. That also help the YouTube algorithm to push the video to new viewers. And I'll definitely see you guys on another video.